Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create explainer videos with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and start a new video project. Before creating the video, prepare your explanation and organize the information into simple sections. Start with a clear introduction, explain the main topic, and finish with a short conclusion. Next, choose an AI avatar that matches the style of your explainer video. Select a presenter who looks professional and fits your target audience. Add your script to the editor and choose an AI voice. Select the appropriate language and speaking style so the explanation sounds clear and natural. Now customize your scenes by adding a suitable background, headings, text, images, and other visual elements. Use visuals to support the explanation and make complex information easier to understand. Keep each scene focused on one main idea and avoid adding too much information to a single screen. After completing the design, preview the entire video. Check the script, pronunciation, timing, avatar movements, text, and visual elements. If you notice any problems, return to the editor and make the necessary changes, then preview the video again. Once everything looks good,